Hello guys! For today, tuturuan ko kayo on classifying regular and irregular polygons. Okay, let's start. Okay, first, we need to determine if the given polygons are regular or irregular, convex or concave. Okay, for our first figure is this one. Ayan. So, makikita natin, it is a rectangle. Okay, first, we need to determine if this shape or this figure is a regular or an irregular polygon. So, paano nga ba natin madedetermine yon? Okay, so, ang regular polygon natin, ang sinasabi kapag ang isang figure is a regular polygon, is lahat ng sides niya are equal. Sa madaling salita, kahit marami pa siyang side, ang mahalaga, equal side siya, pare-parehas ng length yung lahat ng sides. And also, yung angle ng mga vertices niya is also equal to one another. Okay, so, kung sa regular polygon, ganun. Sa irregular polygon naman natin, kabaliktaran. It means naman na yung mga sides niya is not equal to each other. And also, yung angle ng mga vertices niya is hindi rin equal. Okay, now, eto, i-examine na natin to or sagutan na natin tong ating first figure, which is a rectangle. Now, sa tingin nyo, regular ba to or irregular? So first, i-examine natin yung sides niya. Okay, makikita naman natin na itong side ay kasing haba nitong side. So, equal sila. Pero pagdating naman sa side na to, tsaka sa side na to, is ito naman yung parehas. Hindi parehas tong side na to sa side na to. So, meron siyang two sides na equal and parallel to each other. So, by that, yung first criteria para masabi natin ang isang figure is a regular polygon is dapat equal yung side. Ang rectangle, ang definition ng rectangle is opposite sides are equal So, dun pa lang, masasabi natin na ang ating first figure or yung rectangle is an irregular polygon. So, sulat natin dito. Irregular. Okay. Next, we need to identify if it is a convex or a concave polygon. So, natalakay ko sa first video natin na para ma-identify natin if it is a convex or a concave polygon, ipagko-connect lang natin yung mga vertices niya. Okay, so basically, gagawa lang tayo ng segment ng mga vertex niya. Ngayon, titingnan natin kung yung segment ba na nabuo natin is inside the figure or outside the figure. Kung inside the figure, it is a convex polygon. If it is outside, concave polygon. Okay, try natin dito sa figure natin. So, pag-connect natin to and ito, so, inside the figure siya. Sa loob lang siya ng shape natin. Also, this one and this one. Pag pinag-connect natin siya, inside lang din siya. So, by that, we can conclude na itong first given natin is a convex polygon. Ayan. So, next, dumako naman tayo sa ating second example. Okay, first, we need to identify if this figure is a regular or irregular polygon. Okay, examine uli natin. Yung sides niya, as you can see, magkakasing haba lang sila. So, yung first criteria natin para masabi natin ang isang figure or isang shape is a regular polygon is all sides are equal. So, lahat ng lines niya, lahat ng sides niya equal to one another. So, nasatisfy yon nung figure natin na to, ng second example natin. Ngayon, i-examine naman natin yung angle ng mga vertex niya. So, basically, ito. Yan. Yan, different angle yung mga yan. Okay? Pero as you can see, no, since equal sides sila, no? And just examining the figure closely, we can conclude na yung angle sa vertices natin ay equal to one another. So by that, this figure is a regular polygon. Okay, so lagay natin. So, regular. Ayan. So next, let's determine if this figure is a convex or concave naman. So okay, ulitin lang natin. To identify if it is a convex or a concave polygon, magko-connect-connect lang tayo ng vertices. Okay, so mag-create tayo ng segment between different vertices, and kung may isa man doon na sa labas ng figure or outside nung shape natin mabubuo yung segment na yun, concave na agad siya. Pero kung wala kahit isa, convex siya basically. So okay, let's try. Okay, this vertices to this vertex to this vertex. Yan, so inside siya. Also, this vertex to this vertex, inside uli siya. And lastly, this vertex to this vertex, inside pa rin siya. So by that, we can conclude that this figure is a convex polygon. Yan, convex siya. Okay, dumako naman tayo sa ating third example. So first, we need to determine if this is a regular or an irregular polygon. Okay, by definition, let's analyze muna yung sides niya. Mukha ba siyang equal to each other or merong mas mahaba or merong mas maiksek kung titingnan natin? Okay, as we can see, ito, tsaka ito, mukha silang magkasing haba lang. Pero pag in-examine mo to, tsaka ito, parehas sila. Pero mas mahaba sila dito sa ating unang side na minarkahan. So dun pa lang, pwede na nating sabihing irregular polygon siya kasi hindi na agad equal side eh. Okay, to check uli, no? Titingnan naman natin yung mga angle nung vertex niya. So ito, tsaka ito, mukha silang equal, mukha silang parehas lang nung buka. Kaso pagdating dito, sa vertex natin dyan, masyado naman ata siyang malaki. Kumbaga, yung angle na agad ng mga vertex niya is hindi na agad equal. So by that, mas lalo nating na-check or mas lalo tayo makakapag-conclude na this figure is an irregular polygon. Okay, lagay natin. Irregular. Okay. And finally, i-identify naman natin if it is a convex or a concave polygon. Okay, same method tayo. Ko-connect lang natin yung mga vertices. And let's see kung outside or inside mabubuo yung mga segment na ipag-connect natin or yung mabubuo nating segment. Okay, from this to this, pag kinonnect natin, inside siya. Kaso how about this one and this one? Vertex pa rin naman siya nung figure natin eh. Pag kinonnect natin, nasa labas na siya nung figure natin, nung shape natin. So paano yun? So, concave polygon siya, hindi siya convex. Okay, ayan. So next, so same pa rin, identify natin if it is a regular or irregular polygon, convex or concave polygon. Okay, this one, examine natin, regular or irregular. Check natin yung side. Yung side niya, as you can see, kung i-examine natin, titignan natin mabuti, equal to one another sila, magkakasing haba sila pag tinignan nyo. Okay? So, yung first condition, na-satisfy niya. Ngayon, titingnan naman natin yung angle between dun sa mga vertex niya. Tingin nyo ba equal to? Tsaka ito? Pati ito? Tsaka ito? Ito, lahat ng ano niya? Mukha ba siyang equal to one another? Yes, equal to one another yan dahil basically, equal yung side niya, equal na rin yung angle ng mga vertices niya. So by that, we can conclude that this figure is a regular polygon. Okay? Next, identify naman natin if it is a convex or concave polygon. So, same method tayo. Koconnect lang natin yung mga vertex to create a segment. Okay, first segment natin, inside. Sunod is inside pa rin ng figure natin. And also this one. And so on and so forth. Pag nag-connect ka pa ng mga vertex niya, ng mga vertices niya, and you create a segment, makikita nyo na inside lang siya nung figure natin. So by that, we can conclude that this figure is a convex polygon. Yan, convex. Okay, next, we have this figure. Okay. So for this figure, identify natin kung regular or irregular. So, examine nyo yung sides niya. So, ito mahaba. Compare dito, ito masyado tong maiksi eh. Parang ito, tsaka ito yung equal. Tapos ito, tsaka ito ang equal. So, dun pa lang, hindi na nasatisfy yung first condition para maging regular polygon siya. Na all sides must be equal to one another. So, by that, conclude na agad tayo na irregular polygon siya. Ayan. So, next, determine naman natin kung convex or concave. So, connect lang ulit tayo ng mga vertex to create a segment. Tingnan natin kung saan mabubuo, sa labas or sa loob ng figure. So, ito, tsaka ito, sa loob siya. Pero pagdating dito, tsaka ditong vertex, nasa labas na siya. So, hindi natin nasatisfy yung dapat nasa loob lang ng figure. So, by that, we can conclude na concave polygon siya. Okay? So, for our last example, okay, determine ulit natin kung regular or irregular. So, anong shape yung nakikita nyo? Parang familiar siya kasi parang lagi na nating tong na-encounter pag nagmamat tayo usually, pag mga polygon, ganun. Usually, na-encounter na natin yung gantong shape. Ito na lagi yung given eh. So, okay. Yung given figure natin is a square. No, mukha naman siyang square kasi examine natin. Itong side na to, equal dito, tsaka dito, tsaka dito. All sides are equal kung titignan nyo. Walang mas mahaba, walang mas maikse. Lahat pantay-pantay. So, by that, we can conclude agad na this figure is a regular polygon. Dahil equal side siya. Pero pwede rin naman natin i-check yung angle niya kasi kailangan equal to one another din yung angles niya, yung internal angle niya. Okay? So, this one and this one, tsaka ito, equal to one another yan. As I said earlier, yung equal sides niya, pag tinignan nyo, equal to one another naman siya. Parang nga siyang right angle eh. No? Wala lang tayong distinct label para masabing right angle siya. Pero basically, ang square, ang definition ng square, lahat nung internal angle niya, lahat yun, right angle. Okay? So, by that, we can conclude na this is a regular polygon. All sides are equal, all internal angles are equal. Okay? So, lastly, convex or concave. Same method tayo. Magko-connect lang tayo ng mga vertex to create a segment. Okay? So, this vertex and this vertex, okay, nakabuo tayo ng segment. Inside lang siya. And lastly, this vertex and this vertex, inside lang din siya. Okay? So, by that, inside lang, nasa loob lang yung segment natin, it is indeed a convex polygon. Ayan, maliwanag ba? So, yun. Dito na natatapos ang ating lesson for today. Kung meron kayong katanungan o medyo hindi maintindihan sa ating video na ito, kindly comment down your question or inquiry sa ating comment box or chat box. Okay? And lilinawin natin yon sa mga susunod na araw para hindi na kayo malito. Okay? That's it for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Have a good day.